Our garage just got a little bit bigger, literally. Our new 2026 Ford F250. This 6.7 liter high output turbo diesel is going to be the new tow vehicle. Extra steps everywhere. There we go. And another extra step just to make sure we can access everything, especially once it's lifted. It is obviously a 4x4, and we got the kit put in so that if we ever want to have a fifth wheel, we have that option, and it's got the electrical setup over there for the fifth wheel as well. We went with the Platinum Edition, not Platinum Plus, because we didn't want the light interior or all the chrome. And it is like being in a drivable couch. So we got the max recline seats. These things literally lay all the way into the back, and that's part of why we custom ordered this, in addition to making sure that we could get the Pro Trailer package with the correct axle on it, because we are planning to tow with this thing. Look how little it is down there. A big part of why we are getting this F250 is because we want to take our cars to fun places to drive them. We don't want to depend on borrowing friends' trailers and trucks or setting up transport. We want to be able to go up to Tennessee, North Carolina, North Georgia, and take a car, max recline a seat, and road trip up to enjoy driving. This will not be staying stock for long. That needs to change. That needs to change. Something needs to change here. Something might change there. That needs to change. Within 24 hours, we took this truck over to our friends at Wolves Den Customz so that we could start taking it apart and get the pieces over to Midnight Customz for some custom paint matching. Great. Where did that just go? First bolt, first loss.
All for one. There you go. She's adorable.
Ziplocs were brought and Sharpies so that we could label anything associated with the various parts that we take off. The first side badge was a pain in the butt to get off, but it eventually came off.
It's not coming out. There it goes. Fucking motherfucker.
Quick run through. These are getting painted. Those are getting smoked. There's a badge on the back of the tailgate that will get adjusted. That's coming off. What else? This is getting painted. That is gonna get swapped out. That's the badge that is already off. The bullet has already been added. Tint is done. And then up here, fog lights are getting adjusted, tow hooks, grill, this badge, lots of things happening up here in the front. The labeling system is working. The girl did make it off.
There you go. In the meantime,
I'm coming.
I don't need you yet.
Oh, yeah, you do. Moron.
Okay.
This bumper removal was annoying, to say the least. All of this shit just for some damn paint matching. What the heck? If you don't trust the tonneau cover to hold your weight, just roll to reach the cab light. The final piece is off and ready to go to Midnight. Everything is taken apart and loaded. The grill is taking up the entire passenger side with the seat laid down because it is enormous. And then there's this dude. Oh, are we keeping you awake, Bulbs? Pulling up to Midnight Customz to get a first look at our custom paint matching. It is time to get all these parts back on the truck. After picking up all of the custom paint match parts from Midnight Customz, it was back to Wolves Den to get it all reassembled. All of these parts are a surprise to us because they packed them up for us. And this is the first smoked and color matched taillight going on. and it looks really good.
What's that then?
Let's see what's next. I don't know.
These are the caps. Let's do those.
Here are
Those should
caps.
just pop on.
It's like Christmas morning every time we unwrap this.
Mine's obviously.
Here we roll again.
Damn. That looks great. Damn.
2, 3.
Hang on, I'm gonna take these both out.
We are all blue
Hang on, I gotta plug it in.
with a fresh emblem. So we currently have the drill stuck in the bumper of the truck. I'm not even going to try to get down and show you because there's a lot of frustration right now. And we're 2 bolts from being done.
Got it.
Boom! What'd you do?
Took something else off.
The paint matching that Casey and his team at Midnight Customz did was freaking phenomenal. The details, it's crisp, it looks great. Next up is the lift and rims and tires.
Have you ever had them in gunmetal? Everybody gets
The
the
what,
black, right? The HFX ones?
No, I don't think we have. Well, Andrew's known. I've never done the Ultra Deep either.
Oh, first time for everything. Drum roll.
Ooh, that's gonna look
Dang.
good. That's gonna look really
Dang,
good.
that's gonna look good. The PPF of all of those custom paint match parts is complete thanks to Wolves Den Customz here. And they also, if we move back here, mounted our Vossen HFX1 deep concave wheels onto those Nitto Ridge grapplers. And it's now time to get this bad boy over to 4-wheel parts for a 5-inch BDS lift. Then those wheels can go on and this thing will be looking nice and beefy. I secretly love old trucks and SUVs, so I'm loving seeing this here right now. Oh yeah, by the way, our truck's over there. She is complete. The install of the 5-inch lift kit is done. You can see those Fox shocks in there. Vossen wheels are now installed, courtesy of Wolves Den Customz, sitting on those Nitto Ridge grapplers. And there's that BDS. Also, we did not park it in this handicap spot. The shop did. Don't yell at us. So much better than it was before. These F250s stock look like they skip leg day. They just have super narrow tires and wheels on them. So getting these beefier Nitto Ridge grapplers on Vossens, huge difference. The bags are on a bit of a back order, so we'll get this thing bagged for towing purposes a little bit later. We are pumped with how this truck turned out and how quality all of the work was from the different shops. And we cannot wait to share this truck more with you and some of our towing adventures that we'll be taking with this sweet new F250.